Can't remember if I've showed this before, but this is my KTM EXC 500, and something I do with the wiring on this bike and some other bikes is I like to take a paracord and take the guts out of the paracord and run my wires inside the paracord. You can kind of see there. Sorry, using my phone. And I seal the ends with the heat shrink tubing. And then this is just a power cable for something. Anyways, with all the vibration in the bike and everything, I found this works pretty good. And I use it for a lot of wires, that don't seem like they're very protected. This is like some bigger rope, hollow rope, and I pulled the guts out and did the same thing. And I got it on a lot of the wires on here. Every time I have a problem with any of the wires, I do this to it, and it seems to solve it. It's really flexible, and I've never had anything wear through on this stuff before. This one has like 2 or 3 wires inside of it that were pretty small, that would be pretty fragile by themselves. I stick it in here, and I do the heat shrink on the ends just to keep it from unraveling. But this is a pretty solid way of running the wires. Thanks for watching.